Hey guys, I'm Shyam from Skull Studios. So today's tutorial is going to be how I created this scene. I saw it somewhere and thought of creating this on Blender. So yeah, I have a bunch of other tutorials as well in my channel, so you guys can check them out. So I've done most of these stuff on my channel, so you guys can check them out. And if you guys create one of these scenes, uh, tag me so that I can see your work and maybe comment or post it on my feed as well, post it on my stories. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So we're gonna start off by creating a circle and our X, rotate it 90 degrees and tab into edit mode, and instead of just pressing F to fill it, Control Z to undo, and we are going to press Control F and select grid fill, so we have some chords to work with. So as you guys can see, it's twisted a bit, so I'm going to press this black box over here without pressing any other key. I'm going to make it -1 to offset, and then we have it perfectly aligned. Now I'm going to Alt left click, Alt left click, Alt left click, Alt left click, select all those edges, and E to extrude and scale it up, and E to extrude again, scale it up, and scale it down a bit like this maybe, and Control 2 to subdivide it. And I'm going to add a solidify modifier and increase the thickness to about 0.2 meters maybe. Yeah, shade smooth and go to the normals. I'm going to make it auto smooth. We can add a simple deform modifier to bend this. So I'm going to make it bend, and I'm going to create a Shift A empty. I'm going to move it down with G, Z, Control, with the bottom, G, Z, Control. So select the circle again and select the empty we just created, so we can see we can bend it perfectly. Now I'm going to make the angle 0 for now, and I'm going to create two materials, create another one, and now I'm going to duplicate this. Go to side view, zoom in, G, Y, Control, move it back a bit, and increase the thickness to about 5 meters. Yeah, and create a plane, RX 90, S and S5, GY, move it to the back, maybe somewhere around here. And now I'm going to add a Boolean modifier and select the second cylinder and apply. Now I'm going to Alt click, Alt left click these two and scale it up a bit, and E to extrude and scale it down a bit. Now I'm going to select in the circle and extrude with E and GY to bring it forward, and select this edge with Alt and Control B to bevel it. And with the mouse wheel you can add more edges. You can add 2 edges, so that's 4. And select the bottom, Control B to bevel it as well, and shade smooth, go to the normals, auto smooth. In my previous videos I've shown you guys that I usually make the animation linear, so for this one we might have it bezier. Now I'm going to the 80th frame, selecting the first circle, and I'm going to add a rigid body and going to make it animated and add a keyframe, and untick the dynamic checkbox and add a keyframe, and go to the 81st keyframe, keyframe, and select the dynamic and add a keyframes and animated and then a keyframe. So from the 81st keyframe onwards, we want the rigid body to take control of this mesh, and before that point, of course, it's animated. So let's play it and see what we have here. So you guys can see after the 81st frame, the rigid body dynamics take control of the mesh. We can make it mesh or just leave it like that. So since we are not interacting with any other object, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And so I'm gonna start bending our circle from the 70th keyframe onwards. So, or maybe 60, no, 70 is better. So I'm gonna add a keyframe here and go to the 80th keyframe and make it minus 180 and add a keyframe. Go to the first frame, play it. Let's see, it's too fast. So I'm gonna select this and move it 60th frame maybe. It's too fast. 50. Yep, that looks fine. So now I'm gonna add another plane, RY90, scale 5G X, and move it back. And now we are going to add our camera. Shift A, camera, Control Alt 0, place it over here, somewhere along this line. Go to the shading tab, select the first layout, the front, make 100 keyframes. I don't think we won't be needing more than 100 frames for this one. So go to the shading tab again, select the first cylinder, and I'm going to make it a blue material. The thumbnail, I had a yellow one, so I might have a yellow one. I haven't made my thumbnail yet, so I'm going to make this a red material and tab into edit mode, tap the first vertex in the middle and Control plus and assign the second material, plus again, assign. Now I'm going to add a noise texture and a bump texture, and plug the normal into normal and plug the factor into the height. If you guys have the node wrangler add-on enabled, press Ctrl Shift and increase the scale to about 200. So you have this pattern, and Ctrl Shift again. So yeah, this looks nice for me now. Hide this, select this one, do the same thing, assign second material. Now we're going to select the back wall, add a new texture, Control T if you have the node wrangler add-on enabled, delete the image texture, Shift A, add a Warner texture, and plug the vector into the vector, and duplicate the principal shader, add a mix shader, we are going to add a color ramp, make it constant, plug the object into the vector, increase the scale, make this a metallic material, and I'm gonna make It's the same blue. No, might make it yellow. This something like this, maybe a purple color. Plug these two in, plug the factor, the color, and switch these two, and you have this. Maybe we might change the color to red or yellow. It looks nice, different. Okay, looks fine. So now I'm gonna do the lighting. I'm gonna add a point lamp and move it somewhere over here. Make the power to about 500. I'm going to add one of the HDRIs that come in Blender. This one. That looks nice for me. And now can decrease the strength a bit, about 0.6, 0.6. Add an area lamp. Y minus 90 GX with that 800. Maybe I might change this color, make it red. And the 86th frame, we're going to start I G Y. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below, and like this video and subscribe to this channel. Your subscriptions and comments help me stay motivated to make more videos, because you know my channel is a very small channel as of now. So I hope you guys like these videos. Leave a comment. Thank you guys. See you.